Hey gang, Jerry here. Today's video is going to be our second video of our Factory 5 Hot Rod Truck Build Series. We did make it home safe and sound from Factory 5, picking up our kit, going to the shop here. So this is our shop. This is what we're going to dedicate to building our project. Of course, here's our truck. Got it unloaded, the frame, the body, and then we have all these boxes. So you get approximately about 50 boxes from Factory 5 when you pick up your kit. And one of the things that they give you is they give you this packet right here, and it's full of inventory lists. So each box has a number on it. For example, this is box 19, and then what's the contents of that box is. And now Factory 5 says they loaded those contents in that box, and what they want you to do is do basically an inventory audit to make sure what they say is in the box. And if you see any discrepancies, you can you have a sheet that you can write this down on, and then you can send it to Factory 5, and they will make good on anything that you found possibly missing out of the boxes. So you have 45 days to complete that after you either take delivery of your kit and or pick it up like we did. And yeah, that's what we're going to start doing today. We're going to start that process of unloading all these boxes and take an inventory of all the parts. So it's going to be kind of like Christmas, happy early Christmas to me. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, then flathead socket, 4 of those.
4 of those.
3, 3, 5, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Hey gang, so we're done. It took a couple of hours, but we finally got it done. Very meticulous, lots of parts to go through, lots of boxes, but we did find some discrepancies, so it's a very good thing that we did it. We'll be contacting Factory 5, and I'm sure everything will work out. But I definitely encourage you to take the time, if you're going to do this, to check the inventory and check what the boxes say they're supposed to have in it. Because again, like I said, we did find a couple of things, not very many, but a couple of things. Actually, Factory 5 does a very good job on their documentation and what's in the box and labeling the parts in the box and so on and so forth. So that all worked out really well. Very next step in the project, we're going to take the body off the frame, get the frame up on stands, and then we're going to start putting the suspension parts together and getting this thing into a rolling chassis. So I'm looking excited to get it to that point. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel, smash that thumbs up button, and make sure you hit the bell so you can get some future notifications, because again, we're documenting this whole build, start to finish. So remember gang, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right gang, take care and see ya.